Welcome to Bigo Live Philippines. We are actually live simultaneously sa ating YouTube channel, guys. So, makikita nyo sabay na naka-live yung ating live stream ngayon. So, alright, another Josh Turner country music for you. Why don't we just dance? Napakaganda. It's time to boogie. Let's do the dancing. Alright. Woo! Why don't we just dance? Baby, why don't we just turn that TV on? 315 channels uploading for the bad song. Well, it might be, but the way I see it, the whole wide world is gone crazy. So baby, why don't we just dance? Woo! A little bit of living room ain't gonna look like much, but when the lights go down and we move the couch, it's gonna be more than enough for my two feet and my two hearts beating. Nobody's gonna see us go crazy. So baby, why don't we just dance down the road, baby, straight up the stairs, bouncing off the wall, floating in there, baby. And why don't we just dance? Ooh, yeah. Alright. Baby, why don't you go put your best dress on? And those high heel shoes you love to lose as soon as the tunes come on. On second thought, just the way you are is already driving me crazy. So baby, why don't we just dance down the road, maybe straight up the stairs, bouncing off the wall, floating on there, baby. And why don't we just dance? I color off. Woo! Yeah! Alright, this is another country music for you by Josh Turner. Well, it might be me, but the way I see it, the whole wide world is gone crazy. So why don't we just bounce off the wall, floating on there, baby. And why don't we just dance? Woo! Alright, lovely afternoon. Hoping na nabuhay ang dugo nyo. Shoutout, Bell. Shoutout dyan sa mga nag-join sa atin ngayong hapon. Napakainit ng hapon. Alright, so naisipan ko mag-country music muna tayo.